Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will talk about Azure AI Engineer Associate, which is AI-102 certification. I'm going to start a series of videos where we will see all the topics that are covered in this certification. Azure AI Engineer Associate, we will explore all the different topics, discussions, Azure AI services that are covered in the official Microsoft certification path. Okay, so I have my whiteboard. Now, in this certification or in this exam, so what is expected if you are preparing for a Microsoft Azure AI engineer, right? So as a Microsoft Azure AI engineer, we will focus on building, we'll focus on manage, right? And then you will, and deploying the Azure AI solutions that leverage Azure AI. Now the responsibilities, right, after or the skills after you are done with all the topics that are covered in this exam would be that you participating in all the phases of AI solution development. Okay, right, so you would be responsible to gather the requirements, development, deployment, the integration, then you would also be part of the maintenance, performance tuning, and also the monitoring part. I would say monitor. All right, high level of what we will cover, right? Now, you will work on these responsibilities. You'll work with solution architects. What is expected, right? What is the vision that they have, right? You, in some scenarios, you will also work with the data scientist. You'll also work with the data engineers, IoT specialist, right? And you will also work sometimes with the infrastructure team or infra administrators or Azure administrator, and also with software developers. So it covers a wide variety of the teams of the horizon, the technical horizon that you have, right? So as I mentioned, you will build complete and secure end-to-end AI solutions. You will integrate the AI capabilities in other applications and solutions. And what is expected as an Azure AI engineer, that you have experience developing solutions that use languages such as Python and C#. So if you know it is good. If you don't know it, then also is expected that you at least should know the basics. If not, then as I mentioned, you'll have to work with software developers as well. All right. So there are different modules if you'll check the Microsoft official documentation, right? So it talks about a lot of things. And when you do that, right, so you should also be able to use the REST APIs. Okay. And the SDKs to build secure image processing, video processing, natural language processing, knowledge mining, and Gen AI solutions on Azure. Okay. And you should also try to understand the components that make up the Azure AI portfolio and the available data storage options. you should be able to apply responsible AI principles, right? So this section or this course is divided into multiple trainings, right? So we'll cover as per the curriculum, the official Microsoft curriculum. It talks about first, it talks about develop the Gen AI apps on Azure, right? Then it also talks about the development of AI agents on Azure, develop natural language solutions, right? Or NLP. It talks about computer vision, separate modules for each of these courses. Then you have to work on develop AI information extraction solutions on Azure. All right, and then it is divided. All of these have the subtopics that you need to understand to clear this exam, right? You should also not miss the practice assessment for this exam, available on the official Microsoft documentation. And it also gives you the sandbox or the demo of this exam if you want to experience to have the look and feel of the exam before taking it, right? So you'll be able to interact with different question types in the same manner or in the same user interface you'll use during the exam. And then the exam would be of 100 minutes. You will have 100 minutes to complete the assessment. Okay. The cost of the exam is 165 USD. It all depends upon, it is based on the country or region in which the exam is proctored. All right, so starting the next video, we'll talk about all the things, all the subcomponents, right? So we'll talk about the fundamentals, what is an AI, different type of Azure AI services, account types, and then the other options as well. Then I'll walk you through with all the subcomponents, right? So stay tuned, and we'll make a lot of videos around AI-102, which will help you clear the exam, which will help you understand the topics. And I wish you good luck. So please mention in your queries in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.